Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here with CryptoGains. One of the short-term trading momentum strategies that I introduced a few days ago focused on daily momentum. The way that this is usually executed is by using the top rising and top falling tabs on StormGain. But today, when I clicked on top rising, I saw this message. Crypto assets are dropping significantly, not a single crypto assets in this tab. So when we're seeing across the board negative moves of over 5%, then clearly there is something going on. Well, given that there hasn't been any major fundamental changes, what we're seeing today is an example of substantial market moves triggered simply by news announcements. And there are two very substantial news today. The first one was that the United States Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, charged the derivative exchange BitMex with operating an unregistered trading platform and violating anti-money laundering regulations. As BitMex is a fairly substantial player in the cryptocurrency and the Bitcoin space, this triggered very substantial losses in Bitcoin, totaling erasing basically 15 billion of market cap. And the reason this is very substantial is that these clearing houses are supposed to be very safe places which give confidence to all market participants regarding the robustness of the markets, and when there are such allegations, it questions the overall value and benefit of cryptocurrencies for investors, and it erodes investor trust and trader trust in the market itself. So that was one of the substantial reasons that triggered a negative move in Bitcoin, and this was mirrored in altcoins and Ethereum as well. And as we can see, at the moment we have drops of over 5% almost across the board, with OmiseGo losing nearly 9%, Chainlink following with 6.2%, and Monero nearly 6% as well. The other very substantial news that came early this morning was that the President of the United States, Donald Trump, tested positive for COVID-19. Usually, anything related with the health of the president is considered substantial risk-off trigger, where people withdraw their assets from, or withdraw cash from risky assets like cryptocurrencies and put them into safe havens. So what we observed on the back of this news was a substantial spike in the value of gold. And what we have been observing lately is that Bitcoin is no longer as strongly correlated with gold as it used to be, and now it's more correlated with stocks. So the decline in stocks was mirrored immediately, even more severely in cryptocurrencies, while gold jumped. But these are all narrative, these are all stories. For us, what matters as traders is how we can make the most of these movements. And one opportunity is to simply ride these short-term movements by trading some of the top falling assets like OmiseGo and Chainlink, by using any short-term reversal where they temporarily raise in price and then initiate short positions for the rest of the day. As we saw in our previous discussion on short-term momentum, these strategies tend to be profitable if you identify significant or abnormal negative returns during the day. You can ride that wave, you can ride that trend for the rest of the day and potentially make profits from it. Now, another opportunity that such an occasion presents is for the longer term investors who are more interested in hodling crypto assets. In that case, you can take advantage of these drops and simply put more of your available resources into your long-term positions in crypto assets. I hope this brief analysis based on today's news makes sense to you. If you haven't already done so, you can see all our previous videos in the video education section on StormGain in the CryptoGains Market Insights subsection. Today is a good opportunity to trade some news. Thank you very much for joining me. Trade wisely, and I'll see you soon. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the StormGain community. That way, you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.